ano na, final look. Well, final look, feeling mo. So, we're ready for our final business plan presentation and see you there! Meet me at...
I-vlog na to niya. Vlog sa presentation na.
So,
Nagsaba.
So, mag-breakfast kami guys. Wala kami kakaon. Mag-order mi sa KFC. So guys, manhapon sa kami hapon. Mamahaw sa amin. Mamahaw sa amin. So mag-pray si Axel Rose. Pray America.
A few moments later.
Good morning, everyone.
I'm Mera.
I'm Alex. I'm Cindy.
I'm Chris.
We are Macc-Goat Farm. Sagot sa kahirapan, sagot sa kahirapan, sagot sa ekonomiya ng bayan. Let's go together. Our mission is to address the poverty and health issues among small-scale farmers by creating livelihood and milk alternatives through sustainable and innovative goat farming. Our vision in 5 years, a leading innovative self-sufficient goat farm in the heart of Mindanao that provides alternative opportunity to farmers to grow their income and provides free milk support to selected beneficiaries. So this is our passion and commitment. Macc-Goat is passionate to elevate the poverty and health issues among farmers through sustainable goat farming. We strongly believe that goat farming ay sagot sa kahirapan, sagot sa kalusugan, at sagot sa ekonomiya ng bayan.
Go to enterprise summary. So our objectives here is we're going to produce an organic goat source shelter, milk production, organic fertilizer, and dispersal program. We also provide goat manure intended for local farmers who have no capacity to use the organic fertilizer. So 50% here is will go to the farm development, and 50% farmers cannot afford to use the organic fertilizer. And of course, we're going to contribute towards the process of diversification of economic activities that is aligned with the government policies, which will create job opportunities to less fortunate people and society. And we're going to provide 20% of milk that will be delivered to the daycare center for the kindergarten students, and dispersal or 20% of our live goes to the less fortunate farmers in the community. And also we're going to be training and support.
So our core values here are efficient, passionate, reliable, proactive, innovative, and sustainable.
Doctors registered the company to the Bureau of Animal Industry under Republic Act 8485, or well known as Animal Welfare Act 1998. So the Macc-Goat Farm will also under the SEC or Security Exchange Commission. Yeah, for the business name registration in articles of partnership, and of course we will be wholly owned and operated by 4 partners. Engineer Chris will actively manage and overlook the farm, and Miss Cindy Celeste will take care all accounting functions, and Miss Mira Del Monteliano will handle all marketing and sales functions, and me myself will handle the legal matters for the farm operations.
Particularly goat dairy farm is quite interesting, not only in the Philippines but all over the world. Because once we say goat, it target the 3 bottom line in social enterprise. Like the manure, it will help to promote organic fertilizer, and then for the like the milk also is inorganic. Cumulative net value within 5 years is about 7.9 million at profit margin of 71%. But we have learned our scenario. This enterprise is very viable. In terms of market, we don't have any problem with market. Particularly in Davao, as what I know is only...
Pwedeng libre pa yung equipment nyo.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
I'm very familiar with Katiil because it's one of the most remote areas in the Philippines.
Yes,
So,
thank you,
yung
sir.
mga remote areas, yung cooperative that will receive the equipment, so pwede na. Siguro next year, actually may pera yung area na.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Then actually, last 3 days ago, I read the news from the Philippine Daily Inquirer regarding the USDA. They will planning to support the National Dairy Authority of the Philippines. They will fund for goat dairy farm production in the Philippines. So by December, I will go back and try to avail this program from the National Dairy Authority. Thank you.
Paano? Hanggang pwede mo siya. Di ba? Sige pa. Walang sirado. Macc-Goat, walang sirado. Ano? Ano? Walang sirado. Guma.
Video ba yan?
I-vlog ko siya. May paputo. So, ito yung mga classmate ko po. Hi! Hindi na lang food dash. Open na natin to. So guys, lapang sa mga kanti. Mag-ambasa. Thank you. Salamat sa mga pagkain. Sponsors. Thank you po. Thank you sa sponsors. Thank you for our...
Thank you, Mrs. Domingo.
Thank you, love. For initial... Happy birthday! Last Whose birthday? Mag-graduate ako. Ansay mo mga storya? Ansay mo nga, Miss
You do know?
You do know?
Di ang bato. Di ang bato.
Hi, friend! Anong masasabi mo?
What can you say?
What can you say sa iyong baka?
It's really an honor. Thank you so much for inviting me here. It's really an honor to see you guys. All right, I'm so happy to see you.
Thank you. Thank you, ma.